savvy standard and discretionary security highlights. In addition to great crash test scores make the Audi A4 an exceptionally safe decision. Indeed, even the base Audi A4 is stacked up with cutting-edge well-being highlights. However, a completely prepared model can almost drive itself over long separations. The A4 Territory has performed alright in crash tests to win a 8 out of 10 on our scale. The A4 has earned the IIHS Pint for Top Safety Pick grant when fitted with discretionary LED headlights that twist with bends. The NHTSA gives the A4 5 stars generally speaking in its torrent of instrumented tests. However, it notes 4 stars for frontal effect protection. Every A4 begins off down the correct way. With regards to crash, staying away from security tech, standard low-speed forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking, a full supplement of airbags, soundness control, and a rear-view camera. This year, Audi has made blind side screens and back programmed crisis braking standard on Premium Plus and Prestige trim levels of the A4 and all-road, while the Prestige currently incorporates versatile journey control with unpredictable usefulness and programmed high pillars standard. Premium Plus and Prestige models even ready travelers in the event that they open their entryways into occupied cross-activity after parallel parking. Inside, the A4 is meager without feeling down market. Its even dash and flip switch controls are anything but difficult to deal with at a quick look. Audi's virtual cockpit choice replaces ordinary simple checks with a wonderful high-definition screen. Tap a couple of controlling wheel catches and the show switches between a few distinct screens that copy genuine measures are run completely innovative with an exact Google Earth satellite guide pointing the route forward. The all-road adopts the Subaru Outback strategy. It wears butch bumper flares, accessible in differentiating matte-painted plastic, remarkable wheels, a taller ride stature, and a toothier adaptation of the base A4's grille. Everything functions admirably enough to make the A4 road something of a tonier 4x4 fan. Despite the fact that its four-wheeling cleaves are just insignificantly superior to the sedans, all roads contrast inside just in some minor trim hues, and obviously, their load-gulping trunks.